Hello everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, the place where you can learn how to take control of your financial destiny. Here on this channel we talk about all things personal finance, side hustles, and also investing. And we're going to be talking about the Kraken app in this video. The Kraken app is an app that you can use to buy and sell cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, just to name a few. Of course, once you have money in your account, you probably want to know exactly how do you buy cryptocurrency. If you don't know how to buy cryptocurrency, what good are those funds in your account going to be? And likewise, what good is the app going to be in general? Now, if you don't know how to deposit money into your account, I recommend you check this video out. Assuming you already have that knowledge, we're going to give you a visual demonstration over the phone on how to do this. And by this, I mean buy cryptocurrency. So let's move over to the phone. First, we want to open the Kraken app up. And then we'll be greeted with the home screen. Now, in this tutorial, we'll be covering exactly how to buy crypto on this app. It should be noted that an important thing should be done prior to you attempting to buy crypto. First, you want to click on the person icon at the bottom of the screen, scroll down, and then click on payment methods. You'll need to have one of these methods selected. Either you've linked Google Pay, you've done online banking with Trustly, or you've deposited cash. Assuming you already have one of those methods done, we're going to back out of this and go back to the home screen. We're going to buy some Bitcoin. So I'm going to click on Bitcoin, which is nearly approaching $30,000. And I'm going to click buy. It's asking me how much do I want to spend. I'm going to invest $10. And as you can see, it says pay with, and I have Google Pay selected. If you had multiple options and you want to change that, you can click on the arrow and then use one of these methods. I'm fine with Google Pay. Click on review. Then it's just asking me if I want to go through with this. And it's basically letting me know exactly what are the fees going to be and what's the total amount that will be invested. I'm going to go ahead and swipe to confirm. It's just asking me to verify some information, so I'm going to click on continue. And it says, I have successfully bought this fraction of Bitcoin. From here, you just tap on anywhere on the screen to make this disappear. And then it'll take you to your portfolio. But that in a nutshell is how you buy crypto on the Kraken app. You now know how to buy cryptocurrency on the Kraken platform. I would always caution people to not go crazy and make sure you know the fundamentals of investing when dealing with cryptocurrency. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you want to check this video out that I made for investing for beginners. But with that being said, that does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you have not signed up for Kraken and you have an interest in doing so, you can sign up using the link in the description or the pinned comment. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found value in it. Subscribe if you're new, if you want to be notified when I drop another video. And of course, don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny. See you later.